Welcome to Hindu God Emoji Quiz Challenge. Can you guess 30 Hindu gods just by looking at emoji? And subscribe the channel for more such quizzes. Let's go. Can you guess the god by these emojis? Very good. He is Lord Krishna. Look once and answer which god is this. Saraswati, goddess of knowledge. Can you guess the god by these clues? He is Kal Bhairava. Guess the god by these emojis. Very good. He is Lord Ganesha. Can you spot any god by these emojis? Very good. He is our favorite Lord Hanuman. Can you guess this god? You got him. He's Lord Vishnu. Look at these emojis and try to guess the god. Powerful Lord Shiva. Can you crack this emoji's clue? You are correct. He's Lord Kurma. Now try to guess this one. Lord Agni. Watch carefully and name him. Lord Indra, the god of rain and thunder. Can you name this god? Goddess Parvati. Now try to guess god from these simple emojis. Correct. He is Lord Surya. Can you guess any god by them? Correct. She is Goddess Kali. Guess the god by them. Lord Vayudev. Can you guess the god by these emojis? Yes, she is Goddess Lakshmi, bringer of wealth and prosperity. Who do you think this god is? Lord Kartikeya, commander of God's army. Now try this. Very good, Yamadev. Now try to figure out which god is this. He's Lord Vishnu's fourth avatar, Narsimha. Can you guess the god by these emojis? He's judge of karma, Lord Shani. Now try these emojis. Very good. He is Lord Shiva's vehicle, Nandi. Try to guess this god by these emojis. Very good. You got him. He is Khatushyam. Think hard and try to name this god. Goddess Naina Devi. Now guess which god is this? Correct. He is Lord Rama. Can you name this god? Bharat Mata. Who do you think it is? You are correct. He's Lord Ayyappan. Try this. Correct. He is Lord Kubera. Guess this Hindu god by these emojis. Varaha, Lord Vishnu's third avatar. Think fast and try to crack this emoji's clue. Correct. He's four-faced Lord Brahma. Who do you think it is? You are correct. He's Lord Buddha. This one is super easy. Guess which god is this? You got him. He's Lord Parshuram. Comment your final score. At last, comment who is your favorite god and subscribe the channel for more such quizzes.